So the first thing I'm going to be doing is removing my bonnet and just checking out my hair. And I already washed my hair earlier, so I'm just going to be spraying a little bit of water with my spray bottle. I believe that it helps the hair just slick back properly and like make it easy for me to do stuff with my hair. My hair is not natural, my hair is relaxed, but that's it. I'm just spraying water all over it, just dampening it a little bit, a tad bit, spraying water on it. So I'm just taking this comb, white tooth comb, to separate my hair, untangle my hair, brushing it and untangling it at the same time. Yeah, so I'm going to be brushing it down because we're doing our pony down. It doesn't hurt, don't mind the face I'm making. So I'm just brushing it down because we're doing a slick down pony. I'm doing that, making sure everything goes in the right position. And I'm making a center part with this comb, looking at the mirror because we want everything to be straight. I usually don't do this by myself. I go to the salon. I've actually done it just once, but I said for this video I must do this for you guys today. So I'm going to be straightening it, checking for any mistake and straightening it. I'm looking down because I'm looking at the mirror. I'm sorry guys, but what can a girl do? So I'm just slicking it down and I am making a center part, straight parting, please, straight parting guys. See, I'm making sure that it is straight. That's why I'm going from my nose, because your nose is in the center of your face. So I'm going like correcting any mistakes. Yeah, I'm correcting any mistakes, looking at it in my mirror. I'm taking this comb. So now we're going to be brushing the hair in like right and left part so that everything can slick to right and left part, because we made a center part, so you want it to like go in the direction of the parts that you already made. So I'm going right, yeah, I'm doing that. I'm brushing it down like that. Yeah, I'm doing the second part now, using my hand to also control it because my hair is thick, but my hair is not fussy or anything, but it's actually very thick and full. So I'm just doing that for it now, so you can come to the sides. Yeah, so that's what we're doing. I'm holding it. You can already see how it's going to look when I'm done. You can see that it's already coming out nice and well. So I'm using these two gel products, the Petals gel, you can find it in Nigeria, and this hair wax for my hair. So I'm using the Petals first, and I'm just going to be scooping some in my hand and applying it all over my hair. I'm not using a lot of products, but I'm just trying to get it all over my hair because this is going to serve as like a hold for my hair to just slick back. You guys understand me? So I'm scooping the product on my hair with my hand, because I'm using my hand because I also want to press it into my hair. So I'm just using, you can see I'm using my two hands. I'm using one hand to hold it, and I'm using the other hand to apply the gel all over it. Yeah, so that's what I'm doing. I'm doing it for the second part now. I'm just applying gel all over my hair. You can see how it's already coming out nicely. It's coming out nicely. As you scoop and apply on your hair, use your other hand to protect it and just, yeah, like that. I hope this video is very detailed. This video is actually very detailed because I'm even shocked that I did this very, very well. So I'm holding it down. You can see the way it's going to look. So beautiful, God. So beautiful. At this time I didn't know that the video was going to be a voiceover, so I was still talking while filming the video. So show you guys the side and the back of it. I like my pony to be down. I just feel like it's cute. So I'm showing you guys. I'm using the comb we used earlier to smoothing out any hair that's tangled while applying the gel or anything like that. So that's what I'm doing now, smoothing it out with this comb. Yeah, like that. Yeah, so now I'm going to be using the hair wax on the front of my hair. This one acts as an extra hold for my front hair and my hair. I'm just applying it all over the same way I use the gel. Yeah, doing the second part now, like that. Yeah, just adding some more. Yeah, so you can see how it's going to look like. God, I look so pretty. This is just my natural hair, all my natural hair. So I'm using this hairbrush to brush it down. We want it to be smooth as possible. We want it to be smooth as possible, as smooth as possible. So I'm just brushing all over, especially the thick parts that's on top there, so that everything. I'm using these 2 rubber bands. I'm not supposed to use rubber bands, but I couldn't find any thread or rope, so I'm just doubling it up, and I'm going to be using it to put my hair together in a little bun. So I'm just doing that, turning back so that you guys can see me properly. So I am putting my hair in a bun, tying it tightly. You don't want to hurt yourself, but at the same time you want everything to be neat and packed back. I'm also using the brush again because you want this hair to be sleek, or don't you want it to be sleek? I'm adding some hair wax to my edges, and I don't want any hair to be flying, like I don't want any flyaways, so that's why I'm redoing it after brushing. So I'm just applying it to my edges. You can see how straight it is. I think I tried. I'm using this band to secure my hair after brushing and doing all of that. So I'm just slicking back. I'm just protecting it at every step of the way. I'm protecting it. I'm using this toothbrush to do some baby hairs. I'm attempting to do some baby hairs at least. I think I'm failing. I'm actually failing, but what can a girl do? I need baby hairs, you know. So I'm still failing. You can see I'm creating it. I'm trying. I think I did a good job because I usually don't do these things like by myself. I think I already said that, but today I said I was going to do this for this video for you guys. So I'm just doing my baby hairs, trying. I did a very good job. I'm using the scarf to protect everything now while I go to do my makeup, so that I can just stay. So I've done my makeup now, and I'm taking out the scarf. Yes. Woo! Yeah, so this is the ponytail I'm going to be using for Megextensions. All the details will be left in the description box. So this is it. It was packed so nicely, so neat. Yeah, I'm taking it out of the bag now. This is the kinky one. I think the 24 inches kinky straight ponytail is detachable. It's a detachable ponytail. It is a detachable ponytail, velcro wrap detachable ponytail. So I'm just going to be putting the comb in my hair, using it to secure my hair. Yes, like that. Putting it in my hair. Yeah, then who would even know that this is a ponytail? Wrapping it around, that's why it's called a velcro wrap. I'm wrapping it around my hair, and I'm using the tip of it to go around to secure it tightly. Yeah, like that. So I'm just going to be using it to tighten my hair, like that. You can see how I'm doing it round and round until there is no obvious of the band. You know, we saw a band. Actually the band is no more obvious. We want to secure it properly and neatly. My god, I look so beautiful even from my back. Yeah, so now that we've done that, oh god, this is so lush. I'm feeling myself already. Yeah, so for the line on my face, I'm just going to be applying foundation and powder there. Sorry for that. That's ghetto man. So I'm showing you guys my hair. This is beautiful. See how long, lush, full. It's so voluminous. so voluminous. I love it. I'm showing you guys the length, how lush it is, just showing you guys, brushing it out. Oh god, I look so beautiful. I'm sorry that I'm not even sorry, I have full makeup on because I finished filming a video on Instagram. You can check the video out on Instagram. I'm just showing you guys the back of my hair again. So guys, we've come to the end of this video. I hope you like, I hope you share, I hope you subscribe, I hope you learn something. Share it with your family and friends, and rewatch every time you want to do a slick back ponytail, everyday look, and all of that good stuff. You know how we do here in the Megextensions family. Bye guys, see you on my next one.